Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb to. Then the negative form is subject plus did not or didn't, then followed by verb 1. Then the question form of simple past tense is did plus subject plus verb 1. We can also use question words like what, when, why, or how, then followed by did and the subject and followed by verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Carol had a busy day yesterday. She went to work by train. The train arrived at 8 o'clock. Then she got on and sat down. She met a friend on the train. They talk about work and things like that. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Did Carol have a busy day yesterday? Question number 2. How did she go to work? What time did the train arrive? Did she meet a friend on the train? What did they talk about? What about you? Did you have busy day yesterday? Did you go to work? How did you go to work? Did you meet a friend? What time did you start work yesterday? What time did you go home? And what did you do yesterday evening? Last question. What time did you go to bed last night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.